Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Friend, a request before starting the video, please don't skip the video. Because, maybe you can benefit from watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. I will be very encouraged to make more videos if you support. Now let's start the video. What happened? Did someone break your heart? Did someone cheat on you and leave you feeling shattered? Did someone walk away and leave you broken? But why? You were strong, right? So, how did you break? You had blind trust in them, right? So, how did they break your trust? You were willing to do anything for them, even leave everything behind. But, in the end, how did they leave you? There must have been something lacking in the relationship. Someone must have wanted to get out. One of you must have felt suffocated, thinking that the relationship was dragging on. Love and care cannot be demanded, my friend. And if you force it on someone, it becomes a burden, suffocating them. Breakups happen when one of the two feels the relationship is being forced. If the relationship was forced, it's better to let go. Why hold on to someone who doesn't want to stay? Who can stop someone who wants to leave? Someday, somehow, they'll find an excuse to blame you and walk away. Even if they leave with harsh words, telling you that there was never love between you, that you weren't meant for each other, it's better to let them go. Now, they're gone. You're alone. But you're not truly alone, you're enough for yourself. You don't need anyone who isn't meant for you. Why cry for someone who doesn't bring joy to your life? When your partner isn't loyal, why stay? It's better that they left, brother. Scientifically, breakups aren't wrong, they're part of life. Yes, it hurts because humans have emotions. But how long will you let this pain control you? Have you ever done something just for yourself? It's time to stop crying over what's lost. They've moved on, and so should you. Focus on your career, your dreams. Some moments are best left behind, and it's time to move forward. Life doesn't stop just because someone leaves. If you want to live, live in the present. Make your parents proud, fulfill your dreams. Why risk your life for someone who wasn't meant for you? The relationship ended, but that's not a loss, it's an opportunity to rise higher, to prove yourself. The one who left lost an honest and loyal person. You deserve better. First, accept your emotions. Don't suppress your feelings. If you need to cry, cry. Talk to a friend, release all your anger. Let your emotions out, because only then can you start to heal. Write down your feelings, then tear them up, burn them, throw them away. Let go of everything that reminds you of them. Point number 2, take time for yourself. The time you gave to your partner, now use it for yourself. This is your time to focus on your dreams, to live for yourself. Yes, breakups are hard, but they're not the end. Your dreams didn't depend on that relationship, they depend on your hard work. Point number 3, keep yourself busy. Learn new things, try out all those activities you never had time for before. Go to the gym, read books, pursue your hobbies. Enjoy your newfound freedom. There's so much you can do now that you have time. Don't waste it crying over the past. Point number 4, be ready for a new beginning. Every end is a sign of a new start. Use this opportunity to move towards new experiences, new relationships, and new possibilities. After some time, you'll realize that whatever happened was for the best. Point number 5, keep yourself motivated. If you need motivation, look to your parents. Observe their daily life, their hard work, their dedication. Realize that you were crying over someone who wasn't worth it, while the people who truly care about you have always been there. Breakups are tough, but they're also opportunities. Don't see them as the end, see them as a new beginning. Use this time to improve yourself, to achieve your goals. Don't waste your time chasing after someone who doesn't value you. Instead, chase your dreams. Show the world, and yourself, that you are stronger than this. You've got this, my friend. Life goes on, and so should you. Rise above, rebuild, and let your success be the best revenge. Friend, comment how you like the video. And like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.